Have you ever felt so stressed that your chest was tight and your mind racing? Well, guess what? There's a simple way to transform how you feel in just 10 minutes a day. And it all starts with breathing. Now let's explore one of the most powerful yet overlooked tools in Chinese metaphysics, QiGong breathing techniques. You don't need any special equipment. You can do it anywhere, anytime. That's right. You heard that correctly. Anytime. So why not give it a try right now? Just sit or stand comfortably and take a deep breath through your nose. Here's what's fascinating about abdominal breathing, Tian breathing. Most of us breathe shallowly into our chests, but as babies, we breathe deeply from the abdomen. Abdominal breathing retrains your body to do just that, deep, full, and relaxed breaths. Stand or sit with a straight spine, but not rigid. Place both hands on your lower abdomen, about 2 inches below your navel. This area is called the lower dantian, the center of your energy. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand like a balloon. Your chest should barely move. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen contract. The exhale should be slightly longer than the inhale. Start with 5 minutes and gradually work up to 10. Now, have you ever felt a significant improvement in how you feel after just 10 minutes? That's exactly what people experience when they practice this technique daily for 2 weeks. It's like magic. Your resting heart rate drops, your mind becomes quieter, and even digestion improves. I've seen it happen with chronic anxiety too. Just one technique can make such a difference. But here's the thing. There are more advanced techniques that can further enhance your experience. One of them is the 6 healing sounds, Lu Ziju. It uses specific sounds paired with exhalation to cleanse and balance each organ system. Each sound vibrates at a frequency that resonates with a specific organ, helping to release stagnant energy and restore healthy function. The 6 sounds and their organs are Su for the liver, He for the heart, Hu for the spleen, Si for the lungs, Chue for the kidneys, and Shi for the triple heater. For each sound, inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale the sound slowly and evenly through your mouth. Visualize the organ releasing tension as you make the sound. I was skeptical about making noises alone in my room when I first learned this practice. But after just one session, I noticed a genuine shift in my mood and physical relaxation. The spleen sound, Hu, has been especially helpful for me after heavy meals. Give each sound 3 to 6 repetitions, and the whole practice takes about 10 minutes. And then there's embryonic breathing, Tai Chi. This technique simulates the breathing of a fetus in the womb, subtle, effortless, almost imperceptible. The goal is to breathe so gently that even a feather placed under your nose wouldn't move. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and begin with abdominal breathing for a few minutes to settle your system. Then gradually make your breath softer and softer. Inhale so gently you can barely hear it. Exhale so slowly you almost don't notice it ending. Between the inhale and exhale, hold for a brief, natural pause. Don't force anything. It's hard because we're conditioned to think that deeper breathing means bigger breaths. But in QiGong, the deepest breathing is actually the most subtle. This technique takes time, but the deep meditation can be incredibly rewarding. So why not give it a try today? Subscribe to HanMystica for more ancient wisdom and transformative practices.